In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name servers in Hostgator using the 2025 version of their platform. Whether you're setting up a new website or just need to tweak your existing setup, ensuring your name servers are correct is essential for proper domain functionality. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process with ease. First, head over to Hostgator's official website. This is your starting point for all the changes we're about to make. Once there, look for the sign in button. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your Hostgator account. If you're logging in for the first time, make sure your username and password are handy. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Hostgator home dashboard. From here, navigate to the domains section. It's where you'll manage all domain related settings. Clicking on domains will provide a list of all the domains associated with your account. Next, you'll want to click on the Advanced option within the Domain section. This is where more detailed settings for your domain are located. Once you've entered the Advanced settings area, you'll see various tools available for domain management. Look carefully and select the Advanced Tools link. This additional level of management will give you access to the settings we need to adjust. Now direct your attention to Nameservers DNS. Clicking here will open the page where you can manage your domain's name servers. You may see the current name server settings displayed, which is helpful to review before making any changes. If everything is correct, great. If not, you'll want to update them to match the name servers given by your hosting provider or as required for your needs. Ready to make those changes? Click on Manage. This button will take you to another screen where you can input your new name server details. After entering the new name server information, click Continue to proceed. Lastly, select Manage Name Servers DNS. Here you'll find one final confirmation page. It's important to double check that everything is correct because these settings help direct internet traffic properly to your site. If you're satisfied with the updates, finalize by confirming your changes. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on how to change name servers in Hostgator's 2025 platform version. Remember, name server updates can take a little time to propagate, so don't worry if changes aren't immediately visible. Updating name servers is key for ensuring your website or domain functions correctly, so regularly double checking these settings can save you from headaches down the line. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher on the process.